Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to today's vlog at very special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So it's all morning over here. As you can see, mom right there. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my mom. They're fetching water from the tank. Putting on that small container. My dog is very happy. I'm coming for you there, guys. Alright, so I wanna say thank you a million for those people who keep watching my videos. At the same time, I'm so grateful, and I really appreciate for the love and support that you show me toward my family. This is how I'm calling my house, and God is good all the time. So guys, I wake up in the morning like this. I thank God for the gift of life. So in case you're coming across for this channel and you haven't subscribed, please guys subscribe. Love is for free. So today I'm going to do something special to my mom. So it's been a while. So since I went to some city and I came back to my home, although since Sunday I didn't feel well, so right now I'm just okay. So let's flow the vibe to the end. So let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's videos. But for me, I have a special, and I want to surprise my mom for sure. So she doesn't have any clue about what's going on, but I'll let to know maybe later. So right now I left my house, and yesterday on Sunday I make some cleanness here and there. So probably that's how I do things. I hope guys you are ready for this surprise. I hope you are ready for this surprise. As you can see outside, the sky is blue in color. Today no windy, but we are in summer season. Maybe it depends the place where you are. Maybe you're watching this vlog and it's winter time. So but in my village here it's summertime. Actually, we are in January, dry season. Most of the farmer, they are being harvest some maize or some commodities from the farm. So anyway, guys, let me take you outside. And today I supposed to take that crate for the soda, the red stuff that you see there. So it's been a while, you know. I was been here and there, and sometimes I forget maybe. But today I'll take the honor. So maybe to make trustful and friends to be in good way, you know. So I want to take you outside and see what's going on, and maybe I will have some special talk with my mom here and there. And for me, mom, I want to say thank you so much been supporting my mom with a big grocery which can serve her for months. And for me, I'm so grateful to be born and raised on this humble family that you see here. And remember, guys, supposed to rinse my face a little bit, but I have already brushed my tooth and washed my face. Oh my God, sometimes I feel like I wanna maybe go back to sleep, but I realize maybe it's oversleeping a lot. You good? Yeah. Yesterday I take you outside, you walk with me. You good, Bruno? And it's growing so big, man. I'm telling you, my pup is growing so big. Look. And I'm thinking to add one dog or one puppy. I'm thinking so, one or two, because in the future we'll have a huge compound, and we need dogs. Wow, let me see inside here. Oh, my mama, she was milking the cow here. Oh, and the cow is maybe sucking or breastfeeding. I don't know. Come on! I'm a Thai squad. So that's squad. That's my mom. Wow. Guys, welcome. Finally, I'm outside and it's a beautiful morning here. So let me check my birds, which came to company on these beautiful trees here. So they are making, they're singing some melodious song here. And guys, to be honest, if you are very keen, you had the birds singing melodious song, sing some love song, you know, some wedding song, if you are keen enough. So probably I want to ask my mom maybe this question, and what she will think about on today's vlog. But for me, I keep supporting my family a lot. You've been there, guys, watching my videos, and you've been there by supporting me a lot, by watching my videos, supporting me in other way, you know. So that's an improvement. Oh, my mom is coming from right there. So she wants to tie the cow here. I think yesterday my neighbors harvested some maize. You see, after milking the cow, they want to tie them right there. Hey, hard-working mom in this village. He would not give away. I don't know. I said, "Hey, pap." I think you said I just said a pay to what I do. So she wants to tie the cow, but I will try to avoid this fight here. Hard-working mom in my village here. 100% I recognize my mom's hard-working, and probably she was a good mom. She guided us to do this and this. And that's how we see most of my family. They are really working so hard, including I myself, my brother and sister. Although, guys, sorry for this. My sister, she was young, but my mama tried to coach or to teach her how maybe to cook, to wash utensils, slowly. So she told my sister, sit aside for me and watch what I'm doing. Oh, you find the maize, which are very harmful to our cow. Mama, are you ready for this? Uko tayari? Nakuuliza mama, uko tayari? Because since, okay mama, come this up because of the light. Okay mama, since I left the village, I went to Kisumu, and Kisumu was very nice city in Kenya, and also people are hospitable there, and probably Kisumu, it's a hot city because of the lake shore, or because of people, maybe because of the Lake Victoria. Kisumu is totally hot. Even at night, mama, I can't maybe cover my body with blanket, you know. So I can take maybe shower 5 times until morning. But I was having a big surprise for you. Although I have maybe done for you before I left the village, but because of I need maybe some enough space, maybe to sit aside, set my mind aside. But today I have some big grocery for you, like cooking oil, flour. I know in my family they like chapati, mandazi. We have flour. We have I think 1 box of soap. Kwa nyumba nini ndo kinakosa? Kwa nyumba nini ndo kinakosa? Mama, to be honest, usinidanganye, nini kinakosa kwa nyumba?
Mafuta.
Mafuta?
Na unga.
Mafuta na unga.
Na sabuni.
Sure. So you miss soap, cooking oil, flour, and soap. 4 things. And maybe if I brought for you right now, utaitumia kwa kiasi gani? Mpaka watano. Until when God opened the door. For me, guys, to be honest, I'm not commanding my mom. I'm just asking my mom, what did you missing inside the house? Because most of the time, Mama, I didn't go to your room and check maybe this missing this. You know, it's kind of maybe shameless to go to your room, you know. So maybe you need your privacy. For me, I'm asking you maybe outside here, what are you missing for? And I take maybe your kids to school, or I take my brother and sister to school right now. They're studying well, no chasing from school, like things like school fees. But I know my brother who are studying in university. Maybe, I think on February, we must pay like $300 for the school fees. And that's what he told me before I left to Kisumu. So probably, oh, the car is grazing here. Look. So today, Mom, I have one good friend of mine, but 100% I have good friend of mine, but amongst of 100%, they're supporting you, you know. When maybe I make some shopping for my brother, she was the one who makes shopping for you. And for me, I pay everything in the shop. So I deliver to my brother. So today, I'm supposed to do you something else. You are very special, you know. So now maybe you saying, oh, no cooking oil, no soap, you know. I'm trying maybe to change my dad's family, you know, little by little, step by step. And this month, I suppose Mama to bring one road for the blocks. You know, imagine how 100% they work so hard, because I built these toilets with nothing, but it's by God's grace, Mama. You know how we struggle without toilet. We have only one toilet serve 20 people in our community. So we decided, you know what, Mom, let's build our toilet. I start with nothing, but right now I pray maybe your dream house this year, by God's grace, I will build. Because I'm trying to buy material here and there, right, left, center, to make sure that one day if you have a friend, maybe he or she, they wanna feel comfortable what you have. And for me, I thank God for this far. And you always believe in God, you always serve in church. Actually, my family, we believe in Roman Catholic Church, and the rest of my cousin, they believe in Seventh Day, or the rest of my relative, they believe in Seventh Day. We have another villagers here believe in Anglican, Roman. Like, we have so many churches here, I can't finish them to mention, but it's a good thing to believe in God. So Mama, that's the word, that's the message that I passed for you. So after some few minutes, you want to see something in your house. And I want to see your reaction, Mom. How do you react after seeing the surprise by itself? So what next, Mama, did you missing apart from that grocery? Nini kingine? Did you have rice? You have rice? Unamchere? Okay. I hope, Mama, nowadays you say yes. I hope you get me clear. Sometimes I explain in Swahili. So I asked my mama, did you have enough rice? My mama told me. And Mama, maybe no, don't cook rice every day because rice has a lot of sugar. Maybe you cook one after meanwhile, like maybe supper time, not breakfast rice, lunchtime rice. No, you cook maybe for like supper once. I heard on the comment section, but for me, I didn't understand these things, and I take your comments serious. You see, guys, it's a harvest season. So yesterday they were being harvest maize here and there, and actually right now, people take the cow inside to graze. Like my mom take the cow here and there. You can see. Although my grandmother have already harvested. Huh? Can't go to see forget the man. Karabara mani hanabatire. Kanaba mano babatira mahina. Oh hi. You have the beautiful calf here. Hey. Looking like the mother there. Anyway, guys, thank you so much by keep supporting me, and at the same time I support my family 100%. My videos, I support my family, and my family is the one that made me who I am today. My family is the one made me to work so hard. Why not guys? If you're watching this video for the first time and you haven't subscribed, today I shoot these videos on Tuesday morning with a lot of force, but since Sunday and Monday I didn't feel okay, but right now I'm just okay. Let's follow the vibe. Let's go, guys. Mama, they forget to harvest finger millet. Oh, Papa Tawange, that's a meeting it out. Ewo Hatawang. Wow. Let's go. I will take you on the other side. Maybe in case you're new here, and I was talking about my mom's dream house. You see a little bit some material for my mama. Hey, hey. Say hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Nowadays, you know these things, mom. We have avocado trees. Also, at the same time, we have fruits here. Yeah, mama, I'm so proud of you. Little by little, one day you know how to speak fluent English. That's my mom. All right, that's my dad's home, where he born and raised. That is my dad's residence over there. So I'm trying to change the narrative, Yeah, it's not by itself. No pressure on that. Chicken are making love here. Wow. So over here you have the balance stones. Wow. Since I went to Kisumu, no one is here. I said goodbye to my grandma. So she was the one who may be telling her where I'm heading to, because for my entire family, no one is here. So probably let me go and greet her, and then I'll take you to other side. Imagine the beautiful, beautiful view you can see right left center. Right now, that being said, it's summer time here in Africa, so it's totally hot. Let me greet my grandma here and see how she was doing. It's early morning. Oh guys, it's early morning over here, and the sun sets from the sunrise from east sets toward west, and right now my grandma is basking the sun. I don't know if it's basking or grooming, So let me know. Hey, Pok, Buyor. Hey, Buyor. Mboke. Naringa pono ngabatu.
Magutaka na kutumirihaga.
Tarenge han mutagatar. Tarenge han. Kwano na yuko tayari ndicho kanda.
Chibeba chande koi. So gonna chiri wambura atege kumurike.
Oh. Nakyo kugendera.
Nini kai? Tene na suri yende.
Kyokore.
Mkuru na mahangere kai churi yankuri.
Guys, sorry for our vernacular language. I'm asking my grandma how she was doing, what she have been prepared, you know. So she have already taken the maize corn. They want to dry on the sun here and there. So she told me she was doing fine since I left the village, went to Kisumu City. She was the one that I told her, and I met her here. I said, my grandma, I left the village. If my mom came, just told her I left. But probably right now I meet her once more again. It's by God's grace. So right now, let's do this. I will need to go kereo.
Yeah, santi.
Ndaiga.
Santi.
So guys, I'm telling her I came to greet her as I continue with my journey going this way. Ayo tame. Aye. Come on. So let's go this way. We have avocado trees here. Imagine every home, guys. Trust me, every home that you go, you must meet some avocado trees. Like on my yesterday vlog, I was in my friend's home. I showed him some avocados. On this house or on this home, I see some avocados there. Even right there, I see them. At my home, we have avocados. That being said, you can't miss avocados because, you know, avocado, you can mix with some sukuma wiki or green corn another way, some green veggies, and it tastes so nice. So, for my good subscriber, in case you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, share my videos to your family. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And I was talking this maybe for my new subscriber on my today's vlog, that I'm going to build my mom's dream house this year by God's grace, and you haven't have any clue. So this is the material which I bought from my mom. Actually every day I'm showing you, and just keep in touch what I'm doing. Imagine these stones that you see here. So right now I just buying material step by step, slowly by slowly. So to have everything on the ground, and when I start, it depends the month, the year, but it depends the month, the dates and time. So I just buying material slowly. No pressure on this. And actually, it's a good thing, and I'm ready to go. So my family, it keep pushing me to work so hard. We are here and there. Wow! And over here you have the toilet, which we're doing slowly. You know, construction, it's so hard. I'm telling you, it's not easy as you can, guys. If you've done some building and construction, comment on the comment section. It's not easy as you can. Look. So right now we bought some bricks from one of our neighbor just over here. So I think this one it can finish up. We try to extend the bathroom and toilet because you know, when the mason build, and then we told him or her do this, and they say okay, I know what I'm doing. So right now, after the end of the result, we realized the toilet and washroom somehow neat or small, so we try to adjust them, like 6.5 feet long, you know. So maybe you can put maybe water, taking you bet with no confidence here, you know, So that's how we do things here. But soon we'll finish this stuff, and all will be okay. But guys, don't be confused. This is my uncle's project, although I'm trying to keep pushing him on the project and on what he was doing here and there, because he was new on this game of building and construction. So probably we try to keep pushing each other here and there. So maybe since when I build my mom's toilets, maybe he learned something new in terms of building and construction. That being said, building and construction, it's not easy. Maybe most of the people who didn't engage in building and construction, maybe for the first time, I know 99%, most of the people building their homes, they know how maybe hectic how the building and construction is, and maybe 1% remaining. I personally here, I'm trying to learn something new in building and construction, right? So soon we'll see how this project will be going. Let's go. I'm taking you around and see how things go. Imagine, guys, that's how I support my family, 100%. So let me go this way, and probably before I left the village, I want to see how my neighbor are doing in the process of making bricks, you know. So sometimes it's good to see the progress. Guys, trust me, one day I'll make a huge transformation on my dad's family. One day. And I want to say, my dad, wherever you are, my soul rest in peace. So you are lucky enough to get a firstborn to be a boy. So I'm trying to work so hard. You left a big gap, and I'm trying to fill that gap in a good way. And for me, guys, I thank God, both of my parents, when they were in on backyards, they were being in same, they were being hacking so hard. So maybe sometime I inherit this maybe from my parents, you know. So probably right now I'm just kind of having one single parent, of which I thank God, you know. So things happen with its own time, its own reason. Probably the gap which my dad left, I'm trying to cover that gap and to fill them in good way. So let's go. If I could have my dad, you could see him on my videos, but I'm staying with my mom. So I feel like it's so sad, but one day I will try to change that family. So guys, let's go. Sometime I shoot these videos. When I remember the story of my dad, I feel like I could cry lots and a lot, but I forget. Let's go. I normally pass on these beautiful trees here and there. because of the view and cold and yeah. Let's go. Hey man, I'm telling you, last 2 days, I'm telling you, I feel like I'm not okay even filming the videos. Try to imagine, even on Sunday you miss my vlog with this reason to be sick, you know. Maybe it's because of the climate condition here and there. Let's go and see. How things goes. Imagine all these things that I do, it's about maybe my family. Making bricks down there at my neighbor's place, surprising my mom. Wow. Let's go and see. Yesterday they were being harvested maize here. And I need to charge my camera because I see my batteries went off. Yo man! In our village here you see once a motorbike, no vehicle here. But in the future I'll have my small dream car in this village in the future. That's my biggest dream. But right now let's work for my mom's dream house. See, yesterday I've been harvesting maize from there and grinded here. You were watching my videos day by day. You see that machine that are grinding my mom's maize, or my brother's maize, sorry. Let's go this way. I see my neighbor running with some metal of making bricks. Hello baby. Your son is outside working so hard. Your brother is outside working so hard. Look. Let's go and see. And on today's videos, it's all about surprise by itself. Watch it till the end. Don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support a little bit official. On this side, my project is running like crazy. Oh my god, it's a beautiful day. Look, on yesterday's block bricks, on today's bricks. Oh my god, what a beautiful. Usese wakota cheko eh.
Sasa none wasi. Waringine wasi eh. Ikan do hindi tem. Sasa.
Wazate mambo ya gari.
Okay, we are not the cara mbali.
Leo nalenga harusi 1000.
Yeah.
Matagitoka. Eh. 1000 gara harusi. Kwani kusuko 500 kwa temba? Hano rakanda maru.
Garara.
Yes.
Nandi ngia kienkanyolia. Merango.
Nchini sotori bango na madirisha eh.
Yonko maige kienka kwaranga.
Antire isi tumurango kwesiko.
Goi siko segonda ni na madirisha.
Goi corridor har. Hey. So what he was telling me, he was working so hard. I paid him money to put door and windows there. So imagine how we work so hard. At the same time, hello baby, I'm working so hard here and there. So also my neighbor who was working so hard. Well guys, so it's time to leave home. Actually, I'm heading to Border Town and I want to make some shopping for my mom here and there. So, let's see how things go. So that's my small TV there on the wall. Actually, that's how I do things in my house here. So guys, I'm wearing this jacket because sometimes it's cold when I'm riding the bicycle. So probably let's protect my life. You know, in terms of riding a motorbike, it's need to have heavy jacket. Even these are not much heavy, a little bit. Guys, don't mind. That's how I wear this jacket. Like that. So let me take my phone. I put on my pocket. I look the key. This is my key for motorbike. So let's do this, guys. I close it for my privacy. So I have already take my baby outside. So that being said earlier, it's winter time here. No, it's summertime. So we have too much of sun, guys. Today is supposed to wear this shorts here. And I left that one there. So I'm heading to Border Town right now. So this is our smoky kitchen. Mama is cooking chapati here, guys. I'm telling you. Hey, I've already cooked this. And this is how they make chapati here. Okay, Mama, I will add you today one bag. Contain the small one contains 24 pieces. The bigger one contains 12 pieces. So it depends which I can go and take it. So right now it's around 11:20 p.m. No, a.m. guys. I'm so confused with duration of time. It's 11:20 a.m. in the morning. So that's how my mama prepare lunch for my brother and sisters. At the same time, I myself, I'll come and take my breakfast as we go. Unaona ajiniletea leo kubwa ama ndogo? Okay. Unataka ndogo? Okay. So guys, I'm asking my mama, should I bring the bigger bag or the smaller one? Because the smaller one, it contains 24 pieces, and at that time we need to make like 10 chapatis, so it need maybe the small one bag. That's how my mama rolled this chapati here. Look at that. Chapati for you. At the same time, like My mom, she's just like one master, making baking flour, making rolling chapati, cooking there, putting here. Oh, hey, okay, mama. Bye. Hey, I'll come later. I'll see you later. Let's go, guys. Let's do this, guys. My baby is just right here, and today I feel like I could wash them because right now we are in summer season, so probably let's do this. Uh-oh. Guys, that's how it go. That's how I left my home right there, and I'm heading to border town right now. So you will see, guys, I'm not the guy who faking things. I'm showing you the reality. So I'm just over here with my baby. That's how I go. With my bike, man. Let's go and see. Dori, Goyore. Yeah, guys, Mbuyore is a greeting word in my vernacular language. Means good morning, you know. So let's go and do this. I normally pass here, but I'm heading to border town right now. Hey, my beautiful people, I'm outside. I'm outside. Just my dream here and there. Because we have the sharp corner here. So these are like a junction. Yeah. I need to slow down because sometimes we have the sharp corner here. Let's go, guys. We are heading this way with my baby here. I'm outside, guys, working so hard here and there to make sure that I transform my family. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This is the other part of the village. I normally pass here by doing my own things within here. And we have the local shop here for emergency of the village. I mean that one right there. Initially, we were buying some stuff from there. Things like soap, salt, sugar, cooking oil, tomatoes, but nowadays God changed. God uplifts us, my family. So sometimes I feel so better when maybe I make a huge shopping for my mom. And right now I'm heading to the grocer. Achiever School. We have the local school here known as Achiever School. Let's go and see. I'm telling you guys, today I feel okay rather than on Sunday and on my yesterday. So probably that's how we go. And big shout out to the family of Aisha Wine, and Twin Sister TV. And also, I don't want to forget Monkey 23. He was the one who make dream come to reality. Nowadays I have my own bike just over here, and it's served me all the way. Guys, go and check Monkey 23. I really appreciate for the love and support that you show me. So imagine right now, guys, all the way from my village, I travel with this motorbike. We're passing on this dump site here area. These are our shortcuts that I'm using going to Border Town right now here. So, but in the night, guys, you can't pass here. They are very, very dangerous in the night. So I'm gonna encourage you, don't pass here at night. If maybe one day you come to my village, don't pass here at night. It's not passable. That's how we go. So I'm almost to meet the tarmac road and hit the road crazy. They're cutting tax here. Wow. I'm telling you. Telling you guys, this is the world that we live. Africa, especially in Kenya, every some kilometers we pay tax. Every kilometers we pay tax. I didn't understand. Man, I must show you. That's my Roman Catholic Church. People are on tractor, floating down there. Let's do this. I told my mom this story, and she don't believe what I'm telling to her. But after a few minutes, I'm going to make it. It's possible. Hey. Imagine, guys, this video starts from home up to Border Town. It's a continuation video. Wow, guys, so right now I'm remaining some few kilometers apart from here to hit in Border Town. Border Town, it's located near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. Most of the time we make shopping in Tanzania because the currency is somehow cheaper, and maybe some commodities somehow cheaper. So we mind to buy things in Border Town. Let's go. We have shells here. When I'm showing you this, automatically we are in Border Town. Let's do this. Going. What's a beautiful day, guys, for you. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about on today's vlog? And very, very amazing, you know. Wow, let's go, guys. Let's do this. Look how Kenyan vehicle have been overloaded, guys, over there. I really wonder, guys, overloading of the vehicle. This is Border Town for you. Right, left, Oh, center. We made the police post here. Over here. Let's go. Hey, today people are so busy. Right, left, center. Look at that. So this is border town for you. I'm telling you guys. In case you are new here and you don't know where I am right now, this is what we call border town for you. I'm telling you for free, this is border town. It's a business center. You have Cooperative Bank and Equity Bank at the same time. Your petrol station here. Imagine guys, having two banks at the same time. Two different banks at the same time. Wow. Let's go. Overloading of the cement, Manchester Hardware there. It keeps shows me one day I'll buy 300 bags of cement. When I see that, I feel so mad on that. But not physical mad. I mean, let's go. Telling you guys. You wait, this surprise is coming for you guys. Toward my mom. We have the tuk-tuk here. Wow. Oh. Let's go. Narud, let's go. Hey, BMW, big machine. This is border town for you. I need to make my SIM card because it has some problems. Guys, I need to make my SIM card because most of the people have been calling me and I'm in offline. So let's do this. Guys, now this is a footer for you. 20 liter. Hey Benja. Kopoa? Oh, sugar not. Oh, no, check. This bulb so I'm remaining with some flour for making chapati. This soap ni hizo tu zilikuwa, si ndio? Sasa nisaidia kuweka pikipiki. Haina shida, ipate. Okay. My bike is here. Put here Benja. You are a really good friend of mine, right? That's how I tie things here. Take back to the village. This one. Hapo peleke uje nikuoneshe. Mweke sukari uje. So this one I'll take to my mom. Look. I'm trying to make this for the several time, but it's good to support my mom in all way means. I'll try my best. Let's see. So this is border town for you. Niweke mafuta hapa Ben. Hi. So because I'm filming, oh, there's somebody calling me. Hello. Hello. Hey. Kwa Kabati ndio nimefungulia laini sasa hivi niko boda. Hai. Sawa, ndio natoka boda hivi. Okay. Benja, put for me here kutinoi. Na hizi mwagika. And soap here. Una kazi? Una kazi?
Bwana uko ndani kurekodi.
Unishikie kamera nikifunga. Hivyo. Si mbaya, ndio vizuri. Benja, what's make you to laugh?
Ina moto.
They're killing me, bro. You know this I take to my mom. Okay, thank you. All right. So guys, it's time to go back home. It's time to go back home. I hope my mom, she prepared this surprise right now. 20 liters. We have 1 box of the soap, flour for making chapati. What a good day. This is an unbelievable story from here. Imagine. Right now, it's time to go. Maybe guys, you will meet this vlog on the way, or meet this vlog at home. It depends. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, I left the tarmac road. Right now, I'm using the shortcuts with full of shopping at the back. So I'm heading home. Today's today. Tomorrow's another day. Wow, African mom to the world. This is the best time, the best year for you, mom. You are lucky enough to have our firstborn to be a boy. You are lucky. I'm telling you guys, my African mom, she was very, very lucky enough to have the firstborn to be a boy. It is Hello Baby Official. If you don't know Hello Baby Official, guys, finally you know him, who I am, guys. I'm just over here. I'm so excited. I'm so proud of myself. Look at the back. Sometime I'm making incredible story to the village, but it's by God grace, by God prayers. So they are grazing cow here. Let's go and see. Let's go and see them. Ha ha. Let's go and see my mom's guys. I want to see my mom. I can't wait to see my mom's reaction for sure. I'm outside, guys. No time for negativity. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys, I'm telling you, no time for negativity. All the way, positive vibe. Hello, you good? Wow, guys, that's how it goes. You know, guys, I supposed to make this shopping before I left the village, but probably, you know what, I said, okay, let's go, and then I come to do it later. Wow, wow, wow. This is the village, the land of green nature, green scenery. Hello. Ndio nimefika hivi nyumbani. Kuna kitu nilikuwa nimefuatia mama nikitengenezana line. Ndio nimefika nyumbani. Nilikwambia niko bora, ndio nimetengeneza line, nikakwambia nateremka hivi. So utakuja saa ngapi? Less than 20 minutes nitakuwa hapo. Hai. Sorry guys, David Jr. he was calling me, and most of the time we have the roads which the car can't pass. We're supposed to use the motorbike, and motorbike are very, very affordable here. One day, guys, even me, I could do something. But right now, guys, I can't wait to see my mom's reaction. No time, guys, with negativity, all the way positive vibe. And my good subscriber, thank you a million by watching my videos. And my silent subscriber, thank you so much. If you're my silent subscriber and you haven't subscribed, it's good you watch my video to the end. May God bless you. And for my retainer subscriber, thank you a million. And all the way positive vibe. Imagine, there's all surprise that you see here. Let's go, guys, back home. And I'm telling you, wow, guys. No, it's time. Oh my God. Oh. Guys, once more, I'm back to the village. I'm back home. So this is the shopping which I made from Border Town. Actually, no more hide, but maybe you saw some sugar which is not mine. So because the person who are working there as a handman, they are offloading some stuff randomly. So right now I'm back. Let me check my mom and see my mom's reaction. Guys, I'm telling you. You have small radio here. Whew, mama, you umemaliza kupika chapati? A lot of them here. These are they can eat until evening time. So mama, I'm back. What's your feeling? Unajisikiaje?
Vizuri.
Mama, let's go. No time for negativity. Guys, I'm just here. So Sunday and Monday I was being sick and I didn't feel too much okay. Even my yesterday video, you will see I was talking so. So right now, mama, let's go. I feel so good, guys, to support my mom, to cover the gap which have maybe left back years. This is the time. And mom, this is your time. Let's go. Me, I don't care, mama. Let's go. This is your time. This is your best year, your best time in the middle. Your best time, your best year. Let's go. Hey, African mom to the world. So this is the shopping that I made for you. You told me we have sugar, we have rice. That is it. Mama, before we unbox the surprise, are you ready for this?
Yes.
Or you want to take back? Unataka nirudishe? So ulisema kuna sabuni, no, there's no soap, no flour, like you have little. I add you this 20 liter over here of food cooking oil. This is your time, Mama. You just enjoy, celebrate, just believe in God, pray in God pray every day. Your kids went to school, no worry, it's by God's grace. Imagine, you're eating good, you have good health. Why not? Eat. Pray. Your work is to eat, pray, you know.
Yes.
And I'm just recommend on you, you believe in God. Every Sunday you went to church and God opened door for you every day. And I'm just here to support you, Mom. In all means, I will try my best to support my family. Imagine how much I love my family, including you, my young brother and sister. I personally, I love myself. Imagine, Mom, you know. I'm not the guy who maybe cornering. Like, maybe I want to buy you like cooking oil, I buy you like 2 liter, 1 bar of soap, 1 kg of flour. I make you a huge shopping. I'm telling you. In the morning I was telling you, Mama, and you can't believe. I supposed to make you this shopping before I went to Kisumu City. But because of time, I said, okay, let me have enough space to chill somewhere else and to settle my mind. But I probably do the shopping here. The same I make to my brother. Cooking oil, soap, whatever and everything. What a good day. Man, me I feel so good. I'm telling you. I can't wait, Mama, to see your reaction. But this year, it depends the month. I will build for you a house. Slowly. Pole. Mama say pole.
Pole.
So this is what I meant for you. And for me, I'm so grateful. I have one of my beloved mom. 100%, I have good fan of mine. Amongst of 100%, 1% of my fan made it possible. She was the one who made shopping for my brother. Also, you and also you, just over here. Maybe she was waiting this surprise, and finally, Mom, I made it possible. And I want to say thank you, Mom, being supporting my mom here and there. And I know the rest of my 99 subscriber, may God bless you every single minute. You take my full time watching my videos, you advise me, and including my good fans, you made it possible. I'm telling you, even me, I can't believe this could be happen one day. It's by God's grace. And guys, you know all my struggles since I was starting from scratch up to now, since I was starting from grass up to grace. Imagine, I built the toilet just over there. You have seen my videos. Maybe people, maybe the person who are watching this video for the first time, and you don't believe. One day, just travel to Africa, especially in Kenya. Come to the village known as Nyabuhanse. You will see. This is what I'm calling home. Actually, that's my house, and both of my parents struggle together, building the house round, and I'm trying to demolish the old one version to build my mom's dream house. It keep pushing me, and maybe when the miracle happen, even tomorrow I wake up and have money on my pockets, I could build like crazy. But all in well, let's thank Almighty God as we have good health, we eat good, we sleep good at a good time. No pressure on that. Imagine. So let's keep pushing. Why not? Imagine, Mama, in the morning ulikuwa unapika chapati asubuhi. I had you. Maybe April or May or June, I will add you. Maybe my work is to top up you. Like to top up you some basic need. And this is Msafi. Bidco Africa Limited. That's the company. Imagine, man. And here we have poor vegetable cooking oil, Ufuta. Also, it's a Bidco company right here. Mama, you are lucky enough to have a firstborn to be a boy. And I'm not saying that I'm perfect enough, you know. Beyond I myself, I do the part which I can do. And the part which is hard for me, I left for the I left for the maybe for the next generation. But for me, Mama, so I'm reducing my volume of my sounds down. For me, Mama, I'm trying to make you to smile. Like if you remember how you work for the people's farm, maybe to afford like 2 liters of cooking oil. Nowadays you have 20 liters. You just appreciate for my fun. Just say thank you, thank you, thank you. Wherever maybe the person who made it possible, wherever maybe get this, God add double. You know, penye ametoa Mungu adabo mara tatu kwa hiyo yenye ametoa. Guys, I'm just telling my mama in Swahili words. It means for the person who made it possible for this shopping to my brother, and for me, I made it this for several times. Guys, we're watching my videos, and maybe for my new subscriber who may be joining this vlog will watch my rest video, will say, oh hello baby, you try to mix up, what's up? This is all I made it. And I was talking about on this point, whatever person who made it this, he or she, may God add double. You know, the hand that receive is the hand that give. Or the, you know, or the hand that give is the hand that receive. In other way, mkono wenye unapatiana ndio unapewa. I hope my mama you understand this. Tantista. And it's silk, guys. It's brand new. You know, I'm not faking things. Mama, if I made you for this stuff, what about your house? If you react on this, what about your house, Mom? Even me, guys, that being said, in the morning, building and construction, it's somehow tough, not easy. So maybe sometimes, guys, you see me buying stones, I post like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. I know the hectic of the building and construction, but all in well, this year, no matter what, I will build. It depends. It depends. Maybe not this year, but it depends. I will work so hard. All my struggle, all my means, I build for you a house. And I see the guy who making for me bricks. Mtu anatengeneza tofali anaharakisha. I don't know how I'm going to balance on that, because my mind was to buy the blocks 700 to run out your house surrounded, but the partition I will use the bricks. So mimi sijui kama ulimwambia, lakini naona anakimbia kufanya tofali. Wewe unaonaje? Tutamlipa tu.
Niliambia mke wako.
Okay. If I get money, no. If I get money, I give you those $200. Go and pay him. And that's no fishery. That's no kuyo molevu. Then we say ko na mimi yakora madisha nenda rangu. Tuantoramo. So guys, I was telling my mama, you just left that guy to make bricks. I'll give him $200. No pressure. But my big aim, if I wish later I could maybe prepare myself to buy some blocks. But because of the money here and there, you know, I try to pay maybe $6, $60, $50. Sometime I pay $100. So right now I'm remaining with $200, which they're charging me, and I will finish the payment. Alright, Mama. So you can take this stuff to your house. I will help you. Okay. Aye. Tutaenda hapo. I will help you to cut this too. Guys, wait till you see how your son cutting this. No, I'll come later for this one. Let me take this 20 liter. Imagine. No pressure on this. Tie. Bruno, what's up, my puppy? Let me bring the soap. What's up? What's up? Bruno to the wall. You good? I'll take you outside. When my dog see me, it feels so mad. But because of time, guys, I'll come later to have my breakfast. At the same time, I'll combine to be my lunch. So that's how I help my mom. I hope, guys, you see my mom's reaction. Oh, okay, take. Okay, bye.
Bye.
I'll come later. Guys, because of time, I received a call from David Jr., so I'm supposed to go and see what's going on. My good people, what's up? I have the birds here. They came and camp here. They are singing melodious song every morning, every day, 22 hours. But guys, we shall meet on the next videos while I'm taking my lunch. So right now we're heading to lunchtime, guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, that being said, in the morning I'm supposed to take this crate to the owner because let me say there's a time we have the party here at my grandma. Go and watch my video you find with this crate. So probably I turn to the owner, so it stay here for the couple of the week. So I supposed to maintain those friendships. So let's go, guys. You'll meet me on the road heading to Nyabohansa. After that, go to David Jr.'s place. Guys, it's time to go, and it's noon time. That being said, you see some kids coming from school. Hey, going back home. So I'm returning these crates as I continue journey to David Jr.'s home or Congrats Mom's home, whichever the case. Let's go. The best wishes, the best success, the year of 2025. Let's see how it's go. But for me, it's take me good. Haha. Yo. I'm shooting this video on Tuesday morning, and it's a blessed day by itself. You can see. Let's go, guys. Kids are coming from school. Hey, give me your money. You have sheep here. The rest are my cousin. So they are coming from school. So nowadays we have different times of an hour because the small kids came from school around 12 p.m. and the rest will be coming from say 1 p.m. So that is it. And right now the more you go in the next classes, the time changes. So even my sister, we have 1 hour from now to be going for lunch. Men's Square. You have the church here. So let's go and see. This is the school over here. Guys, sorry the crate is making noise, but we almost at the Abohanse from here. We almost. Yeah, I'm showing the reality. No cornering, guys. Why not? Me, I wish myself the best winner, the best wishes ever. Wow. When you master this place, I'm almost at Nyabohansi. When you master Skinley, from here to Nyabohansi, it's around 100 meters. Not so. This is Nyabohansi for you guys. Kids are carrying soda also here. So let's go, guys. Even I see the owner of that crate. She's just here. Nimerudisha. Haya. So it's time to take this. Hey.
Unatoanga wapi hata unichangi? Wacha hiyo mchezo kesi.
Siku hizi sitoagi mpesa mimi.
Unatoanga wapi?
Utakuwa na kuchangia sasa. Mimi natoka na kesi hivi. Haya, nitailinki na mpesa, nitakuwa natoa kwako.
Na ukikuja upate sina mapesa ama ukipata sina option itakuwa kesi hivi.
Haiwezi kuwa kesi. Haya, asante.
Shukuru jamani.
Okay. So guys, after dropping the crate for the soda, so that the owner, she's a lady that you see picking the crates. So right now I'm heading to Congrats Mom, because I received the call from David Jr. So I'm supposed to meet with him and see what's next. Hey. Wow, I'm outside also with my baby here. You see? So let's go. Make sure that, guys, you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. That's the best way you can support the Lobeko Official here. So on other side, it's Tanzania. I'm telling you for free. Imagine, guys. We have a sharp corner here, but this road are not much passable. Maze gone right there. Telling you. Wait. Hey, the goats are sleeping here. I think, guys, I'm almost here. I left my bike here. So guys, welcome to Congrats Mom's home. It's another beautiful day. So I'm outside The sun is hot right now. The sun is hot outside here. That being said, it's summertime. Alright guys, so I'm just over here. So David, say hello.
What's up guys, welcome to Hello Baby's YouTube channel. With me here, I'm having a fruit. Though Hello Baby doesn't know what it is,
Yeah.
but it's a pea. Even I don't know how to pronounce
Is this
the
one
name.
that yesterday saw on the premiere?
Yeah. So it has juicy seeds right there, and it can be used as salad, you know.
Okay.
So I want to plant these actually here at our home.
You dried the seed and then you plant, or you plant direct?
Even I don't know, honestly.
So maybe,
But I will Google that I can
I
get
think
to
you dried
understand.
them.
You need to dry the seeds.
You Google and then.
Yeah, you have to dry, and then yeah, I think so. And then I think we should have them here.
Where the animal would never touch it. Yes.
Yeah, I want to protect. So this is how it looks like. I was told in other places it's very expensive. This one you can buy it at 400 shilling.
Oh,
That is like 4 US.
and for us we find in the farm.
For us, we found it in the farm. Anyhow, that's how we are blessed here in the village.
Okay.
He's preparing food.
So for me, I'm heading down. I want to check the land next. There.
Just go check it out.
Okay.
Find me here.
Okay. I'm going to go to Sapa. Hey, they're preparing it's supper time. And this is my week. Yeah. I'm
Right now it's 2, right?
yes. It's, maybe he has some work to do.
Bring people, we show them. Guys, you see what we are having here?
We eat sweet seed.
Imagine.
Food for me taste.
Okay.
Oh, it's enough.
Ah, so sweet.
Guys, I want to taste.
So sweet. Very sweet. Yeah. So this
Afuna meza.
yeah.
Let's give the next food to be mature. I'd go every day there.
You like that?
Do what Rom is doing. Go to meza mbegu.
Sijui hadi shida yako.
Hizo nimezipaki.
Me, I
Okay.
eat with the seeds.
You eat. Me, I'm going.
Okay.
Aye. It's in Nduru. Oh, guys, let me take you on the other side. Most of the time, when I'm in village here and I have something to do, I'm supposed to check them. I think my video will continue up to my home, and because I forget even to take my breakfast, my lunch, but all in one, let's make some videos for you guys, and then dinner time will be coming later, so I'll keep going down. The reason why I've been wearing this jacket, it's because when I'm riding the motorbike, I don't want to maybe get that cold, and I'm trying to look for the heavy jackets. If you know, guys, that jacket, comment on the comment section. I'm trying to make the research because it's good to protect my life, good to protect my health, you know. So I'm keep going down and see. So today, guys, I'm just okay. But tomorrow's video, on my yesterday videos, it's a continuation video of Sunday. You heard I speak slowly because I didn't feel much okay. But right now, I'm okay. Let's follow the vibe. This is corner shop. Uncle Mo from Kenya. Go and check him. I really appreciate. Let's go down. Oh. That's how we do things here. Right, left, center. We go around the village and then the day ended. We have the maize corn right here. So that being said, the more you plant earlier, the more you harvest earlier. The more you plant late, the more you harvest late. So that is it. We have Adventist church here. Hey, Muravipi. Hey, just say me hello. I supposed to go this way, but I see one of upcoming YouTuber, and for me, if you are straightforward, the positive person, I ignore you. I'm only ignore the haters and negativity. This is a church. Imagine all the way from here to this. How could I This is Musabi John.
This is Musabi John. Wagwan man. He is Musabi John. So you can see here, I was from Robigal. So I was downloading their movies. I need to take a rest and I start watching them. So I really appreciate you for hosting me in your channel. And I say, can you go subscribe to Hero Baby Official?
How about your YouTube channel?
My channel, I think it is collapsed because of 1, 2, 3 reasons.
Which reason?
The reason when I record the video, you can't hear the sound.
It's because your phone, when maybe somebody calling you, it has
Yes.
a sound.
No, it's not sound.
Maybe the mouthpiece.
So I'm waiting for that.
The mouthpiece?
Yes, I think that is the mouthpiece.
So I promise you, next week on Wednesday,
Yes.
look me.
Okay.
I'll give you the money to make your phone. On the mouthpiece.
Yes.
You go and ask the price for the mouthpiece.
Yes.
On Wednesday, we'll give you the money.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Oh, guys, so let's go this way.
Okay.
So I changed the route. When I'm going back home, I'll use that route. So for me, I want to check the land down here. It's a long time. Nimekuambia wewe enda uulize tu bei ya mouthpiece. Najua ni mouthpiece nina shida. Uniambie. Ni mouthpiece. Uniambie ni shilingi ngapi? Nitakupa Jumatano. So guys, we keep moving on. Hey. This is Jamaican uncle's land over here. I'm telling you guys, less than 5 years, this village, you can't imagine how it will be. So we try to improve our village daily by day, and we let it to go. Aya, wewe ingia. Jumatano ikifika uniambie, ukisahau ni hivyo. Aya. Lakini wewe uulize bei. Aya. Wow. So on Wednesday, by sure, I will make something for him because also he was a content creator. Why not? Let's support each other in a good way, you know. So at a time I feel so mad when upcoming content creator like me doesn't upload video day by day because of small issues. We solve it, and that's how we move on. We keep moving on. So today it's summer in Africa here, especially in my village. Since morning it's hot, but midnight somehow moderate. So I was going right there. So I want to see whether they have already harvested the maize and everything. So from my work is to supervise that land, village life. Oh. Let's move on. Marab. Let's move on. Some kids are greeting me shikamo. It's a greeting word, it's a Swahili word. Let's go. At time I came here, I found some maize corn. Right now, let's see. Supposed to pass here. Oh, it's passing right there. Wow. So they have already harvested the maize. It is a good thing. Wow, wow. And we have the borehole here. So they try to cover with some timbers. So for the purpose secure, guys. I think everything is good. Wow. We have the toilet there, one toilet, one bathroom right there. Wow. So let's keep moving on. We have another borehole here. Although this one have been cemented, but there is enough water here. Down here. Sabi? Tamara tahaman siya no simona. Tamara tahaman. Eh. Atu na ako makakori na niya mo tamara tahaman siya mo. Eh. Ke? Isi man ke hayo? Kira man? Sa una macha tahaman. Ay. Wow, let's move on. Sorry guys. And right here we have the stones, we have the sand. Wow. People have bigger dream, but because of the reason of 1, 2, 3, the dreams goes down. I don't know why, but hopefully let's go home. So I came to check this land, and last time when I was been here after Nairobi, there have been a lot of maize here. Right now they have been harvested and everything. We cleared the land. Right now the land is okay. So this is the entrance here. Actually it's a small gate. So it's supposed to close. That way. Yeah, for the security purpose. So let's go back home. When I was coming from Congrats Dad, I supposed to come straight to the land, but I met one of upcoming YouTuber on that church there. I give him a shout out and then go around because of time and everything. So guys, let's go and see. Oh, they're having blackjack there. I'm supposed to remove it. But it's the real life, man. Here you need to struggle what we have here. I'm telling you guys, I'm sweating because it's too hot here, and I'm wearing heavy jackets simply because I'm riding the bike, and I'm trying to protect my health away from the bike. Let's go. Oh. Whew. Anyway guys, we shall meet on the next video while I'm taking my lunch. But right now it's too late. We're heading to evening time, but since morning I haven't taken anything. So stay tuned. We shall meet when I reach back home. Be blessed, man. Guys, I'm back to my village, and that's my hairstyle for today. So actually right now I want to take something to my stomach because it's empty. Imagine guys, it's already evening time, but because of time, here and there I was working right, left, center. So guys, I need to have something on my stomach right now. So in case you're new here, this is my hair for you guys. By tomorrow videos, this is my hair. You see? And it's growing so big because of maintenance and everything. So my sister is playing here. Say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, she was playing right there. She know how to pray, guys. Like, pray the game. It's remind me during when I was kid. I was rolling the tire like crazy. Sometimes I put the lid of the bucket or basket, like I'm driving, steering, you know. Vroom. All right, guys. So let me have something inside here because it's so late here, and I need to have something to eat. Imagine I work all the day and I forget even to eat. Kwani hakuna maji humu? Ameenda chini. Guys, I want to wash my hands here. Oh guys, at least now I'm gonna have chapati. Remember, this is our small kitchen. Remember guys, in the morning my mama, she was preparing chapati, and because of time they have been closed there, so maybe they're inside here, you know. So this is the right time that I came back home. I found everything here and there, you know, guys. Only take one chapati because of time here and there. So I want to take one chapati and see how things go. This chapati for you guys. Like like on today's vlog, I made a video purchasing some flour and everything. It's by God's grace, and mom, wherever you are, may God bless you. Oh, I received the call. Somebody calling me. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Nikonga.
Hey. Alright guys, sorry, I was receiving the call here, and this chapati for you. Hey. I've already, okay bro, come and say hello. Say hello. How was your school? Stand there because of light. How was your school?
Your school was fantastic.
Hey, now it's because of the light. Maybe here. And I know you are tall. How was your school?
The school was fantastic. Everything was going well. Academic. It's just to work hard, because without working hard, education must be hard to. Yeah.
Right. Which number did you wear on your shoes?
At the normal number that I wear, it is 43.
43.
43.
Big or small?
Small.
Small.
Yeah.
Alright, 43.
When you see on these small numbers, you can bring number 9, big one.
Alright, so me, I'm just asking you, maybe one of these days I'll do for you something. And trouser? Na long you know no shingapi?
Trouser, I wanna buy 1,000 shillings.
1,000 shillings?
Yeah.
Shirt?
You wanna buy 600 shillings.
600 shillings.
Yeah.
At the shop?
Yeah.
Sweater?
Sweater, you wanna buy 1,000 shillings.
Okay. Trouser 1,000. Shirt? 600. Sweater?
1,000.
That's 2,600, alright?
Yeah.
Shoes, it goes to 2,000, almost 3,000, alright?
Because of the number, it is
Because of the
3,000.
number, That's 3,000.
3,000.
So it's 5,600, right?
Yeah.
So 1,000, 1,600. It's 5,600
Plus 3,000
for
plus 600.
for 3,000 for what?
So it is 2,000.
Okay, let me tell you. You
One,
say trouser 1,000, sweater
It is
1,000.
5,600 when you just add all of them.
Yes, you add shoes 3,000, trouser 1,000. That's 4,000, right? Sweater 1,000,
Yeah.
4,000.
Yeah.
All right, shirt
600.
6. Let's go systematically.
Yeah.
Right, guys. Sorry for this.
So let me go this. It is shoes 3,000.
Okay, after this, I needed to indicate everything down, and you might know I have one of my fan, but maybe it's sorry to mention on this. So they ask me, because of time I forget. So right now I see you coming from the school, I remember.
Yeah.
Just indicate everything, but for me, the shoes is 3,000 right now. Just indicate everything.
So the first is shoes, is 3,000. Yeah, plus trouser 1,000. That is 4,000. Plus pullover is 1,000. That is 5,000. Plus shirt, which goes to 600. That is 5,600. Yeah.
And socks?
Socks goes to 200 shillings.
All right, that's 5,800.
Yeah.
Only that.
Yeah.
Okay. So after this, you just go and list down everything,
Yeah.
and you give to me, because I see you came from school, and I remember faster because I have one friend of mine just asked me to indicate, but I went to Border Town. I find those shop, they have full of people here and there.
Yeah.
But the shoes, there is a time when I take the view, and that shop, I know the price is 3,000. So you indicate, when you came back, give me.
Yeah.
Right, guys, so let me have say hello.
Hello.
Yes, we just do randomly, but it's good. You just do right now.
Yeah.
Before you wash your clothes, do right now. You give me right now. So let me have it's my break fast. It's my lunch. I'm so confused. Anyway, guys, let me pray for my food because of time, and we end our day. Thank you, Father, for the food that are in front of my table. When I take it, in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. You indicate.
Yeah.
This chapati for you. Guys, because of time, I'm taking my breakfast. Let me end my video with you here together, guys, by saying thank you so much. Keep supporting Hello Baby Official till the end. And this is what I'm calling home. This is what I'm born and raised. Nothing changed. Wow. So, guys, we shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow. I want to say, guys, stay tuned. And on today's vlog, if you miss, just rewind and watch it, guys. Don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official here. And within here, it's my home. So I wish you all the best. I wish you happy weekdays. May God bless you abundantly, guys. Let me say bye for you.